stop saying he don't know. He doesn't know is correct, guys. Okay. So English as a second language, okay, English as a second language to the speakers, they make this incorrectly in their mind. Okay. First, you need to understand first person, second person, third person. Okay. When we are using third person singular, we always have to use the structure. Okay. We have to always use the structure, does and doesn't. Okay. So don't and do, we can use for the, first person and second person and third person plural places. Okay. So always keep in your mind. Okay. So Tamil learners என்ன சொல்றேன்னா base form, okay, base form மைண்ட்ல போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? the structure இப்படி இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? he, okay, so first person la I and we. Okay. Second person is you and you. Third person is like, singular. Okay. He, she, it. Okay. Any name here. And the plural is, they and, two names. Okay. So this is the structure of, personal pronoun structure for this one. Okay. So if you are keeping always in this mind, the personal pronoun table, it will be easy. Okay. So do not use like this. Okay. So he doesn't know is right because he is the singular. Okay. He is the singular. So doesn't will come there. Okay. He or she or it. Okay. So when you're using this one, okay, he doesn't know. Okay. He doesn't understand. Okay. This is the right way. Okay. Some more examples we can see, like he doesn't know. Okay. He doesn't know English. He doesn't understand puzzle. Okay. He doesn't know the truth, or, he doesn't know the rules or something like that. Okay. So the structure always you have to keep in your mind what you're using. Okay. In the, in a sentence. Okay. First person, second person, third person. So always keep in your mind. Okay. Tamil learners, third person singular இருக்கிறப்போ நம்மள என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? does and doesn't யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? And Hindi learners, आपको भी ये बोल रही हूँ, does और doesn't कब आता? थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर यूज करते से टाइम पे आता. ओके. तो हमेशा ये दिमाग में रख लेना. ओके. So he doesn't know the rules. Okay. He doesn't know the truth. Okay. So keep in your mind in this structure. Okay. So if you're able to understand so far, okay, pass the comment doesn't. Okay. So what we learned is where to use the does and doesn't. Okay. Third person singular places. Okay. Third person singular place only we have to use. Rest and all you can use it for do and don't. Okay. So yeah. So pass the comment. Okay. Pass the comment. Okay. Doesn't. Okay. So that I will get motivated to do more videos. Thank you, guys.